Hi, today I will show you how to pause Windows updates. This will work up to 5 weeks at a time. To begin, right-click on Windows icon and open Settings. Next, press Windows Update in the left bottom corner. Now, towards the middle of the screen you will see Pause Updates. In the Pause Updates tab you will see a drop-down arrow. Press it to choose between 1 to 5 weeks of pausing updates. Now you have successfully paused Windows updates. If you ever want to resume or check for current updates, simply press Resume Updates. As you can see, it's now checking for recent updates. I hope this video was able to help you. If you have further questions about this topic or another, please don't hesitate to comment them below.